Everyone. My name is Shubham Santosh Pandit. Today's date is 6 July 2021 and today's video topic is different types of sorting techniques. Sorting refers to the operation or technique of arranging and rearranging sets of data in some specific order. A collection of record called a list and where every record has one or more fields. The field which contains a unique value for each record is termed as the key field. Sorting is an operation performed to arrange the record of a table or list in some order according to some specific ordering creations criteria. Sorting is performed according to some key value of each record. The records are either sorted numerically or alphanumerically. The records are then arranged ascending or descending order depending on the numeric value of the key. Here is the example where some sorting of a list of mark obtained by the student in a particular subject or class. There are two categories of sorting: first external sorting and then internal sorting. In internal sorting, if all the data that is to be sorted can be adjusted at a time in the main memory, the internal sorting method obtain being performed or optimized. External sorting, when the data that is to be sorted cannot be accommodated in the memory at the same time, and some has to be kept in auxiliary memory such as hard disk, floppy disk, magnetic tapes, etc. Then the external sorting method is performed. Then there are different types of sorting techniques: bubble sort, selection sort, merge sort, insertion sort, quick sort, heap sort. But basically bubble, selection and merge sort methods are used in Java. What is bubble sort? Bubble sort is an algorithm used to arrange n elements in ascending order, and for that you have to begin with zeroth element and compare it with the first element. If the zeroth element is found greater than the first element, then the swapping operation will be performed. That is, if two values will get interchanged. In this way, all the elements of the array will get compared. Below, we'll discuss about bubble sort. First, the array index is given as 5 4 3 2 1. Then if the first index is greater than zeroth index is greater than first element, then the swapping operation is performed. Then it will go for the first index and second index. Also in that first index is greater than second index, then also swapping operation is performed. Then for the next second index and third index, if the second index is greater than third, then also swapping is done. And lastly, third index is greater than fourth, then also swapping is performed. That's how the array is arranged in ascending order. Then it is all about bubble sort. Then we'll go to selection sort. What is selection sort? Selection is a straightforward process of sorting the values. In this method, to sort the data in ascending order, the zeroth element is compared with all other elements. If zeroth element is found to be greater than the compared element, the two values will get interchanged. In this way, after the first iteration, the smallest element is placed at zeroth position, and this technique is repeated until the full array gets sorted. Then what is merge sort. The merge sort is another sorting technique and has an algorithm that has a reasonably coefficient space-time complexity uh, and log n, and it is quite trivial to apply. This algorithm is based on splitting a list into two comparable sized lists, that is left and right, then sorting each list and then merging the two sorted lists back together as one. Merge sort can be done by two types of, both having similar logic the way and the way of implementation. These are top down implementation and bottom up implementation. So that's all about uh, sorting algorithms used in Java.